This 2018 Forest River Cardinal 3350RLX is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Forest River is 35 feet 7 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 4, microwave, LP detector, leveling jacks, water heater, oven, awning, auxiliary battery, DVD player, air conditioning, skylight, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Cardinal 3350RLX is 12,556 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.